BXs. What's good, YouTube? Man, got a little surprise for y'all today, man. I've been trying to get y'all content while I don't have my bike. Still in the shop, but we're getting y'all content, man. I'm not stopping. We are heading out to New York City for a bike meet. They've raised $5,000 out there because they got big bike groups out there and everything, and they're giving away free book bags to kids that can't afford them, families that can't afford them, and all school supplies to them. And we're gonna go out there. Hopefully we're not too late for that. It starts at 1. We're probably gonna get there around 3, 4 o'clock. But we're gonna link up with my boy Tyler from New York, his boy 730 Moto. David's gonna be on his 250. My boy Matt, blessed up, he hit me up. We were supposed to drive out there in my car, but my boy Matt hit me up this morning. He was like, you want to ride? I was like, bro, I'm still sitting here with no bike. It's still in the shop. He was like, screw that, bro. I got a 250cc CBR that you could ride if you want to. I was like, bro, bet. I was like, me and my boy David, we were about to go to New York City. If you were down, he was like, definitely. He's going to ride his Harley. I'm going to ride his 250cc. David's going to ride his 250, and we're going to take it up to New York, and we're going to get litty at the bike meet. We're going to meet people and hopefully get to give away some book bags to kids, because I'd love to do that. Hopefully we're not too late for that. But Dave is getting the 250 out now. I'm gonna hop in the whip, and then we're gonna head to Matt's, jump on the bikes there, and then head out to New York. So I'll catch y'all once we heading out to Matt's or at Matt's. Love you, fam. Yeah, man. We're out here, YouTube. About to get to it, man. It's time, baby. I'm on the 250 Matt got. Matt's on his. Matt, what CC is your bike? What? This one? A 600? Matt's on his 600 Hawk. David's on his 250. I'm gonna turn this around so y'all can see him. This is the all-electric 250 CBR that I'm gonna be riding. I rode a 300 CBR Tyler's. I ride my 600 CBR, and now I'm about to ride a 250 electric. And then this is Matt's Honda Hawk 600cc. Joint is fucking clean. I love this joint. That's nice. But yeah, we about to be out, YouTube. Y'all gonna see us some riding clips. And yeah, catch y'all soon. Love y'all, man. About an hour away from New York. Got the bikes all out there. In 7-Eleven right now. About to got some gas, getting some food now. The bike was riding good. 300, 250. Joint's bad nice. Look at this joint. Look at the scooter. This joint's nasty. That joint. What's good, YouTube? We in the city, man. We made it. We out here.
City of dreams.
We out here. We out here. It was a good ass ride. It was really, really good. I won't lie. We're just waiting for
6 wheels is all it took to get out.
Yeah, facts. We're waiting for Tyler to pull up on us now and the 7:30 Moto boys, and then we're gonna ride back with them to the meet. And once we have to meet, we're gonna give y'all some footage of all that. So we're gonna catch y'all back in a minute. Y'all can see, sweaty as hell. It's hot as a bitch out here right now. But we getting to it. We getting lit, man. We having our ride. Yeah, what y'all just saw was the Lincoln Tunnel going through New York, and that's underwater, right? Yeah, that's underwater. That entire bridge. It was like at least like what, 8 minutes of just straight driving underwater. Drawing is crazy. It's wild.
At least 115 degrees down there.
Yeah, bro, it was terrible. Straight sweating balls.
Plus
Yo,
the bike.
It's bad. It's no joke. No, you can see it on my ass. I'm glistening right now, yo. Yeah. Fuck. All right, we'll catch y'all back once Tyler pulls up with the new bike. We got a little surprise for y'all because Tyler not on the 300 no more, so we gotta have a little surprise for y'all when we get back. It's goody, Brody. What's good, bro? Clayton. You care if I get the bike on YouTube?
Huh?
You care?
No, I'll be vlogging too.
Oh, I already say that. All right, bet.
This is my boy. I was gonna bring one to Jersey if he was gonna do that ride out there. I would have had him pull up because
Right. What is it? ZX6?
Yeah.
That bitch is clean. How long it take you?
Huh?
You do it yourself?
With my homie, yeah.
How long it take?
Right back to the couple cigarettes.
Hell yeah.
Smoking, we out
Look at Tyler's fucking bike. This is Tyler's new fucking bike. Sixer fucking 600.
Just hold it down. Don't.
You already know how I be thinking. Jesus, dog. And you in 730? You in 730 too?
Let's be riding.
Right. This shit is so clean, bro. Tyler's new fucking 600, dog. The joint is too clean. Start it up for y'all before we go to the meet. 2022. Said 500 miles. Oh my god, dog. Tyler.
Clutch in.
Clutch in? You're not neutral?
No, that's how you have to do it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why is that?
It's just how it is. I don't know. That's without the M4.
That's smooth.
Wait till I get the M4.
That's just smooth.
That sounds so nice.
Sounds beyond smooth. What do you got on yours? What type of exhaust you got?
Now it's apparatic.
Word. Bro, these bitches are so clean, bro.
I'll put your line on it.
So clean. Next video, next time we're out here, I'm gonna have my 600s. I'm gonna get my 600. I just want to ask you, you want to start it up for me? Oh yeah, she sound right. Yeah, let's get one. Yeah, baby. Yeah, yeah. They gotta be able to hear you.
No plate?
Yo, that's slick as hell. Yo.
I already bought it. The kick. It eliminates this and puts it here and it folds back and forth.
Nice.
It's like a snapback. It folds back. When you want to show it, how do you fold it? Really? It's like, it'll like snap, like click.
Oh.
Look out.
Where is it? You put this.
Moto bike meet out here in New York. Got the Harley ZXs. Tyler got us out here for real. Tyler got us out here for real, man.
Finally, no offense, but I'm asking
Fucking weeks, almost a month now for real. Almost a month now for real. The next time we come out here, I'm coming with my bike though. That's serious. Just so I can really be hitting and improve with y'all.
Everyone would have been moving.
Huh?
This shit straight pipe.
Oh yeah.
So it's just like.
Tyler about to let me ride it.
Oh, all right, Clay in the new bike.
Oh, wait, you can start it up, though.
Oh, he did it.
You better keep it that low. Swear to God, if you pass my bike up first, I'm
Nah, that was just a test run. He was just testing it out.
Come back. Huh? No, I popped it up. I popped it up. Too smooth, bro. Too smooth.
He gaining confidence, bro. What you think, Clay? That bitch is clean as fuck. Bro. Oh my god.
Tyler confirmed it, yo. Tyler just confirmed it. Oh yeah, that's fire. Fuck it. Tyler confirmed it for real. As soon as my bike is back, YouTube, y'all are hearing it now. Yup, I'm selling that bitch. And the Gixxer 750 is coming. The Gixxer 750 is coming. I'm selling the bitch and the Gixxer 750 is coming. I'm done with the 600. I'm done with the Honda CBR, bro. The Gixxer 750 is coming. Tyler just confirmed it.
You just want one up.
Fuck no, I'm just done with 600s.
No, I hear you.
I'm just done with 600s.
How will you want? You need a 750. I'll be valid. 750 or 1,000. I need a 600.
I want to go 1,000, but my dad's bitching at me about it, saying like, you just trying to kill yourself. You don't need to go to no 1,000. So I'm like, all right, I'll grab a 750. Tyler about to jump on that 250.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so light.
Late as all hell. That's why I was just pushing it like that. Like, it's fun to ride. Like, that's why like I'm riding it like a 600. Huh? If I give it enough, like, I was. What?
Appreciate it, dog.
Nah, I probably. You said second gear?
What's that?
You said second gear?
Yeah.
I'll pop her up then. I'll pop her up. I got you. This is nice. About the whiskey throttle. About the whiskey throttle. I can't wait for you to see my bike, bro. I can't wait for you to see my bike. no back brake? I haven't used it once. The entire way here.
Are you serious?
Yeah, no, I haven't touched it once. Really? Move.
Maybe it's a good thing you don't use it.
Guess I'm not popping her up.
Everything they're like down to the metal.
Yeah.
Oh no, he's gotta attach it.
Can't get this on the YouTube.
Oh shit. About to show y'all some beautiful views, man. Out here at the bike meet in New York, man. I ain't never knew it was this beautiful. I'm about to see something. See something for real. Bikes. Got the Subaru WRX STI. It's out here. Y'all just seen the video with the 2022. My man right here got the freaking charger ports in there. The generator in the back of the F-150. Put your phone inside there. David's about to plug his phone in. Look at this. The back
It's like a house outlet. It's wild though, right? I ran a toaster off that bitch. We're on the track. Everybody was like, "Yo, that's just."
I already did. Multiple times. Look at the piano, man.
It can't be too much. It would have to be around like a minute.
This joint is fucking nasty. Dirty shit is too nice too.
I'll beat you there. I got that shit on the
We got our car meet now. Whole bunch of cars out here. Everybody getting lit. A little joint. Nice little car meet. Where you go, Matt?
And keep going on that road.
Bathroom?
Nah, just found a nice bush.
Ah, true.
What's it called? It took me off. And I'm sure it took
Back.
you off too, right? Yeah, it started acting like we were supposed to go with him to like exit 22.
Max lost his hat. That's the leader of 730 Moto. Yeah, bro, right here on the couch on the KS. That's one of the pieces to the joint. David got all electrical tape right there because he lost them joints when he was doing the trail ride the other day.
Like I said, what we did was we started.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? Yo, we just did the craziest pull from Brooklyn to Queens. Straight shot. That shit was fire.
We out here, man. It's freaking too nice, man. It's my first ride out video. Big facts. First ride out video. We out here. Car meet out here in New York City. Just left the bike meet. Posted by 7:30. Posted by Max. We're over here. ClutchLifeClay going up, man. We getting there, man. I'm about to go ahead and get the 600 back. We saw them airsoft guys get the 600 back. George is out the shop. We're gonna be back out here again once we got the 600. Because seeing Tyler push on the 600, like this bull really improved a lot. Like he upgraded a lot. Like he's doing really good now. Like he's lane splitting everything. I probably just had my hand covering all that, bro. But we out here, man. We enjoying ourselves. We just had to best ride out. We got another ride coming up. We got a ride all the way home. We got a 2-hour ride home. Man, we're gonna catch y'all when we're back on the road. Jesus name. Nothing tells you you're in New York like a rat, man. Straight rat. It's calm right there. Matt, Tyler, we're missing two. They both were ahead of us, and they didn't have the GPS, they didn't have the directions, and then ended up missing a turn. The three of us stopped, and then we were just like, all right, we'll keep it pushing because David doesn't know where he is, but one boy on the ZX6R, he knows where he is, so he's about to bring him back over here. We're about to link back up and then head into the city so that we can get some chopped cheese, and Tyler can. What was it that you had to do at your crib? You had to do something at your crib. He had to start charge his phone real quick and then take a piss, and then we're out back to New Jersey. But I'll catch y'all soon. Out here on the Hawk, CBR 250, the Kawasaki, or the fucking Suzuki GSX-R 600. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. They're back. Finally back. Yo, where they went? They had their own little adventure of their own. You got gas? Nah. You got gas? Alright. We about to stop and get gas after.
He was giving out, so I was like, yo, I'm like, yo, almost fucked up though on that U-turn though. Yeah. I missed the exit, and then I'm like, I know how to get the pole over now. So I'm like, I know I gotta go that back way to get out. Yeah. So I'm going, I'm like, no, we gotta do a U-turn. I was like, we gotta do another one. Y'all got something? No, we went on the bridge. And then it was like, we stopped at the gas station.
Stopped up. Everybody stocked up real quick. We on the side, we just went up in the shop. Chopped cheeses, dog. Chopped cheeses. Oh my god. We told y'all we was getting them. Me and my girl been making these for the past couple months now, since I first came out here to New York with Tyler. He put me on. These shits are fucking amazing, and I've been devouring them ever since. Dumb good. All of a sudden, here dogging them on top of motorcycles. We're gonna catch y'all back soon on the ride home though. Dipping home now. Yeah, now we about to head home. Call it night. Catch y'all boys soon.
98.
Yep. Pit stop real quick. Filling us up.
Yeah, that's all, man.
We need
One
to
more
fill
hour.
them tanks up. Fill them tanks up. Ooh, that bike life is sweet. Jeez, $10, bro. 3 bikes. Well, it's probably gonna be like 20 now. But still, hey. Way better than 60 on the fucking car. Yo, this shit records good as hell. Across the whole new track. You got the cigarettes? Cigarettes acquired?
Unfortunately.
What happened to your old pack?
You really want me to say it for the camera?
Say it for the camera.
It flew out of my book bag when I was doing 110.
See, this is why we don't speed, ladies and gentlemen.
How did my book bag open, bro? This shit was closed.
The G-Force.
Fuck G-Force.
I'm gonna have to learn how to beep shit out with y'all motherfuckers.
Yo, I'm so mad, bro. I just copped a whole pack and then I had a whole other one, bro. 2 packs. Thank God my wallet stayed in there.
Word up.
The fucking 2 packs of cigarettes lost, bro. I need to check my bank account, bro. I'm about to go broke.
Swear to
I
God.
spent like
Oh, that's a cop right
$40
there.
on cigarettes alone the last 3 days.
That was 12, yeah.
Yo, y'all saw that car trying to race you?
Yeah.
He thought he was quick.
Bro.
Just lost David because this guy's arm died on him. What time is it, yo?
In the back of my head, I'm just like, at least I know how to get
Yeah, right? It's 2:30 in the morning. Out here on the side of 295. 13 minutes from Matt's house where my car is. And that's when we will be out of here. Yeah, Tyler, Matt on the 600s. And they were outie.
Yo, listen, Clay. I turned around and I only saw him. So
Yeah.
I start going to pull over to wait for you guys.
Right.
And this car literally comes zooming, bro. I'm right
Hello.
here and the car's right here.
We finally done made it home, YouTube. We're back. About to put the bikes in the garage. Matt is a fucking god for letting me use the 250 today. Tell your brother I said thank you. I'm sorry about the license plate.
Hey, that's not the word. That's the worst that's out of it. Then
Yeah, right.
Yeah, for real.
the ride we did today, shit.
Yeah, honestly. We did almost what, 8 hours? Like,
I wish I could did my tripometer first. See how much we
Bro,
rode
yeah,
today.
that would have been crazy.
that was wild.
Bruh, we did it. I was out at like 10 in the morning. I started because I met up with my boys, linked to my tent, linked to my tent. We rode out
600
1 to 5.
and then 250 down there.
8. Yeah, and then now it's like what fucking
It's a ride, man. Take the do-rag off.
Boys.
Yeah, honestly. Alright, boys. Yeah, catch you, YouTube. Love you. Stay up, family. Like and subscribe. Deuces.
Alright. Time check.
Fucking. Man, what time is it?
Let's see. We officially back 3:43.
Jesus, bro.
Hell of a ride.
Hell of a ride.
Oh,
it,
but-
was amazing, man.
Hell
We've
yeah.
never ridden like that before.
Never.
Hell of a ride.
Tyler definitely showed
Lucky
us.
I found that joint.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I didn't think it was gonna be there.
You
Yeah,
see?
bro, thank you for having us out there, Tyler.
Dead ass.
I'm glad y'all came, honestly. Thank you for pulling up. Showing love, showing support.
As soon as the 600 is back, man, we're out there again.
Oh my god.
We're not gonna go out there again until niggas got that 600 back, but as soon as we got back, we're out there again. Definitely need like a good week and a half break of riding after today.
Yo, for real.
Getting cocky now. Once you have your 600 back, run shit.
Huh?
we'll come getting cocky now. Once you have your 600 back, you're running it. I say no more.
Yo, I wish we got it on YouTube or on video, but I was on the side of the bike riding, like I was walking on air, like it was crazy. I'm gonna definitely get a video of that for you.
Yeah, we definitely need
Do
it.
you have that video of me blasting off?
I do. I'm pretty sure I do.
Can I see it? What the fuck?
I'll send it to you because ain't none of my shit popping. All right, YouTube, we out, man. The GSXR is up. Tyler's about to hit at the crib.
About to knock out.
Me and
Never
David.
been more excited. For real.
Me and David about to head back to David's, and then we both gonna take it to the crib bed too. Appreciate y'all, YouTube. Love y'all. Keep your support coming. Keep the subscribes coming. We're gonna be back with y'all soon. Deuces.